What if you were so fed up and disgusted with the way sometimes people treat each other that you ask God to destroy the world or ask God to destroy humans but not the earth? Because the earth is always good and sometimes people are not always good. What if you ask that of God and God grants you your wish and now you are the last person on earth? Oh, now what? My dad has his new movie streaming on Amazon that you can watch. Just search The Value of Life film, or you can check out the link below in the show notes. If you haven't already, let's take a look at the trailer of Il Valore della Vita, The Value of Life, written and produced by Dad.
San Francesco, aiutami tu. Voglio solo che le cose ritornino come erano prima. Con la mia famiglia.
Pietro, stai per andare fuori strada.
Pietro! Ci servono dei soldi, Pietro.
Anni fa ho prestato migliaia di euro. Ma sai quanti soldi che ho dato?
Papà, ma che significa il mio nome?
Tesoro, Toria deriva da Torah, il libro ebraico.
Dobbiamo portarli di corso in ospedale.
Lasciate stare mia figlia!
Aiuto!
Ti arriverà una telefonata domani, prima di mezzogiorno.
Ma come faccio senza la mia bambina?
Ragazzi, ma cosa state guardando?
Gesù, Gesù.
Allora, novità?
Ho chiamato Laura, ha detto che Pietro è tornato a casa in questo momento.
Ora che faccio?
Inginocchiati, Pietro.
Auguri Toria!
Guardate lì. C'è del fumo.
Domani alle 14 viene allo stesso posto di ieri con 25.000 euro. Aiuto!
Pietro! Aiutaci, Giorgio ci ha fatto... Che c'è, tesoro?
Papà è rimasto sotto la macchina.
Di quello che è successo adesso non devi dire mai niente a nessuno. Mai.
In nome del nostro Dio Onnipotente. Andate via. Chiedo scusa e perdono a tutti.
I first read the script of this back in 2019 when my dad and I were discussing his previous film, The Cross and the Star. That one got stalled by the pandemic, of course, and last fall my dad decided to produce this one, and they started production back in February and they finished at the end of May. Unlike The Cross and the Star, my dad decided not to spend years trying to find a studio or a distributor to put this film in cinemas. He just turned 89, I believe, and the film business, the Hollywood business can be very exhausting, and he's not going to do that anymore. So he decided to put this on Amazon for you to see. This movie deserves to be seen. I think it's timely with world events, and my dad wanted to put this out there in time for the holidays. So check out The Value of Life, now streaming on Amazon. You can rent it for $1.99, I believe. And I believe it's in all regions, not just in Italy. So watch the movie. I hope you do anyway. It's a beautiful film. It is a multi-award winning film. The latest award went to the actor Sergio Rovetto, winning the Best Actor award at the prestigious Siena Film Festival in Tuscany. Now, the film has won other awards, Best Screenplay, Best Music. The soundtrack was written by Maria Saccari. She first started writing music at the age of 4. Not bad. The soundtrack is original by her. There are original songs written and composed by Dad. He sings on one of them. He's really not a singer, but not too bad in this one. And I hope you enjoy the film, and let me know if you guys watch it, and if enough people watch it. I hope you do. Maybe we'll do a live show and talk about what is the value of life. My dad look for my dad to play the drunk on the hill, and my dad also does the voice of God, because why not?